All right. In this question, Randy, and I would think maybe even Lee, you have part of this. Jessica wrote us an email. She's having problems paying her mortgage, and unfortunately, we're seeing more and more emails like this. She heard about Save My Kentucky Home, and she's wondering what's that about.
That would be more probably a Lee. Lee, do you know anything about that?
I know at closing, you always bring that up.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes, there's a document that tells people their rights if they have issues with paying their mortgage. If you get about 60 days behind on your mortgage, you're supposed to receive a notice from your servicer or your lender letting you know what your options are. They could be doing a loan modification. They could be doing a refi, or you could tack on what you owe at the end. This program is not something, that name I'm not familiar with, but there are a lot of state programs, federal programs that help people when they get in bad situations with their mortgages. And so it's totally worth looking into that if you're in dire straits, to see if there's some money available out there to help you get caught up.